Welcome to GitHub Trending Repos for today. We have a lot to cover today, so let's get started. We're counting down to number 1. It picked up 2,137 stars in the last 24 hours, so stick around. Number 10, ECC, 486 new stars today. ECC is a harness-agnostic operating system for coding agents that solves the real problem of inconsistent agent output across different tools like Claude Code, Cursor, and Codex. It layers structured skills, memory optimization, and security scanning on top of any agent harness, so you stop repeating the same prompts and debugging the same mistakes every time you switch tools. The system is built from production multi-harness workflows and exposes its internals via NPM packages and a GitHub app, making it worth exploring if you need agent behavior that stays predictable regardless of which editor or CLI you use. Number 9, checkout, 26 new stars today. Action/checkout is the official, battle-tested GitHub action that reliably fetches your repository code into CI runners, eliminating manual git clone scripts and broken credential management. It solves the real-world problem of slow, insecure checkouts by giving you precise control over fetch depth, submodule inclusion, and token persistence, while the latest release hardens workflows against malicious code execution from fork pull requests. Developers should explore it to learn how a single line of YAML can dramatically speed up your pipeline, tighten security, and seamlessly enable cross-repository automation without handcrafting shell workarounds. Number 8, videouse, 554 new stars today. Videouse lets you edit videos by talking to a coding agent, removing the need to manually scrub timelines or learn complex editing software. It solves the real-world problem of hours wasted on repetitive post-production tasks, like cutting filler words, silence, color grading, and adding subtitles by turning natural language commands into precise FFmpeg operations. The LLM never watches the video. Instead, it reads a structured representation of audio transcripts and visual keyframes, then spawns parallel subagents for animations and self-evaluates every edit, giving developers a programmable open-source alternative to a full video editor. Number 7, chromedevtoolsmcp, 104 new stars today. This gives AI coding agents direct programmatic access to a live Chrome browser via the Model Context Protocol, so they can inspect DOM state, network activity, and performance traces during development tasks. Instead of manually copying error messages or screenshots into a chat window, your agent can autonomously debug front-end issues and verify UI behavior against a running application. It combines Puppeteer's automation reliability with ChromeDevTools' deep inspection capabilities, making it a bridge between agentic workflows and the actual browser runtime that traditional headless testing libraries don't expose to LLMs. Number 6, superpowers, 897 new stars today. Superpowers gives coding agents a structured methodology, so they stop jumping straight to code and start with specification, design, and test-driven implementation plans, dramatically reducing the drift and garbage output that plague autonomous coding sessions. It chains sub-agent-driven development with enforced TDD and the Yagni discipline, turning a chaotic assistant into a reliable junior engineer that can work unattended for hours without derailing your architecture. It plugs into nearly every major coding agent, Claude Code, Codex, Cursor, Copilot CLI, and more through a single skills framework, meaning you get consistent behavior across tools without rewriting prompts or rules for each environment. Number 5, careerops, 372 new stars today. This repo arms you with an AI-powered job search system that automates scanning listings, evaluating fit, and generating tailored CVs across 14 skill modes, so you reclaim hundreds of hours instead of burning them on repetitive form filling. Built as an agent skill set on Claude Code with a Go dashboard, PDF generation, and batch processing, it operates transparently from your terminal, giving you full control over how your applications are filtered and prioritized. CareeroPs flips the script on applicant tracking systems by putting the automated filtering on the candidate side, making it worth exploring if you want to study or deploy multi-agent workflows that turn a months-long grind into a strategic, data-driven process. Number 4, exercisesdataset. 938 new stars today. Building a fitness app or recommendation system usually means manually assembling a structured exercise database and translating instructions, a slow, repetitive task. This repo gives you a clean, ready-to-use dataset of 1,324 exercises in 6 languages, bundled with a developer wizard that generates your database schema, API code, and even LLM prompts, so you can scaffold a full backend in minutes instead of days. The exercise media isn't included due to licensing, but each record retains the original ExerciseDB media ID, making it straightforward to plug in your own images or the official API once you're ready to go live. Number 3, agencyagents. 3,032 new stars today. Developers often waste hours iterating on AI assistant system prompts to get consistent role-specific output. This repository gives you a ready-made team of specialized AI agents with defined personalities, workflows, and measurable deliverables, all structured as simple Markdown files that plug into tools like Claude Code and Cursor. Its install scripts and accompanying desktop app eliminate setup friction, letting you instantly deploy a front-end developer, a Reddit community manager, or a reality check reviewer, and start seeing better results without the trial and error. Number 2, Caveman. 926 new stars today. LLM coding agents waste a substantial portion of your API budget on verbose, filler-heavy explanations you don't need. This repo gives you a pluggable skill that slashes output tokens by 65–75% without sacrificing technical accuracy. It works across 30+ coding agents, Claude Code, Codex, Cursor, Copilot, etc. Keeps your natural language intact while compressing only the fluff and offers graduated grunt levels from light to pure telegraphic speech. If you're spending real money on LLM tooling and want to cut costs with a single install command, this is worth a look. Number 1, Strix. 2,137 new stars today. Most security testing is either slow and expensive manual pen testing or static analysis that floods you with false positives. Strix runs autonomous AI agents that dynamically attack your application, validate real exploits with working proof of concepts, and deliver actionable remediation steps. It orchestrates multiple AI pen testers to scale across your code base and integrates directly into CI/CD pipelines to block vulnerabilities before they reach production, replacing the need for costly manual engagements.